What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you are tuned in to Beauty by Keely. For my new people that have never been here before, thank you for stopping by, and the ones that have been rocking with me for a little bit, I still appreciate you. Thank you so much. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of a different video, because I know in my past couple of videos you've seen this plain background behind me. So today we're going to be having some fun and trying to decorate it a little bit, and I am going to take you guys with me to help me out. So if you see that my face is beat to the gods, honey, but there is nothing on my eyes, mind your business, okay? Because I'm doing another video after this, but we're gonna do this one first, so that is why. It is raining outside. Let me just show you what is happening outside my window right now. It is like storming so bad. Oh, that was lightning. Pretty sure that was lightning. Yep, do you guys hear it? That's what I don't like. But yes, I'm staying inside today. Like storming, so I am shut in today, so I ain't got nothing but time for you guys, okay? So why not record more videos in one? So today is gonna be like a DIY Dollar Tree kind of haul slash decoration. And before I started this video, I went to Dollar Tree and picked up a couple things, so I'm going to show you what I got to try to help me add a little bit of color to this plain background, and I'll show you guys my setup and everything and how it's been, and then the final product. Of course, like I said, everything is from Dollar Tree because we trying to save some coins, honey. Some coins. Anyway, so the first thing that I got is this wall stickers, and you can actually find these same wall stickers at Hobby Lobby, but at Dollar Tree they're $1, okay? So it just says love yourself with some kisses on it, so I thought that that would be really cute. The second thing that I got is like these wall decor hangers, and this one says girl boss, and it's very glittery, very girly and pink, so why not? The second thing I got is another piece of wall decor, and it says strong is the new pretty, and it is also glittery as well, if you can see that. And I think it'll go good with this because even though this is pink, it's got purple rhinestones on it, so, and that's purple font, so we'll see how this goes, okay? So the next thing that I got is some more wall decor. Anyway, and it looks like this, and it has pink and purple in it, and it says don't give up on your dreams, with a dream catcher down here. Now I love dream catchers, they're just like my favorite symbol, so I thought that that would be really pretty, and they have a lot of inspirational things on them. So that's basically what I got for my wall decor to try to decorate my background, but I am going to show you guys some other things that I got for my business, and I will link it down below because I have my own cosmetics line, and it's Beautybykealeycosmetics.com, so check it out if you would like. I got this garden dish, and I do sell glitters on my website, cosmetic glitters, and so I figured that this would be very, very good for mixing my own custom cosmetic glitter colors. So I got that. It was $1. Hey, why not? The second thing I got is to add to my packages. I got some more crinoline, or it really ain't crinoline, it's like decorative shred, paper craft shred stuff. And it's pink and white, has a little bit of blue in there. So I thought that was really cute to put back in my packages because I am out. The second thing, or that's not the second thing, I got a lot of things. So what else I got was some glitter paper, and they come in a set of 3s, and these are actually really, really good for backgrounds. So I'm gonna try a couple of these glitter papers for some background things, and we'll see how it works. This one has silver, red, and green in it, and this one has orange, yellow, and a bright pink, and I'm all about pink, as you can see. So I got that. And the last thing I got is some premium photo paper because I follow this girl on YouTube, and I can't remember her name right now, but she has a business as well, and she does a lot of DIY things, so I will actually link her YouTube down below. And I believe she uses this paper. This is the original reason why I went to Dollar Tree anyway. So whenever I figure out her name, I'll put it somewhere like over here in this area or whatever. But that is what I got from Dollar Tree. So let's figure out how we can get these wall decor things up, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I don't really use nails because behind this white background, which this is basically sort of like vinyl fabric material from Hobby Lobby, and I just got it cut in a big piece and I have it pinned to the wall. I'll back up in a little bit and show you guys. But I don't really do nails because I'm always moving stuff, so I actually do the little pins, and I had some up here somewhere. There they go. Found them. I have these little stick pins that's easy to stick into the wood, and they look like these, just little push pins. So that's what I'm gonna be using today to try to get this up. Let me back up for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about with the background. You can see it's just like the material stretched out on the wall, but it's just hard to get it to kind of smooth out a little bit. So that's why I'm going to be putting a little bit of decoration behind it. So this is where I mainly film and how I set up as far as this angle. So I put a little tack behind my head just so I can hang my decor around it to know exactly where, like, I usually center my camera for recording. So I figured that would help me mark it a little bit. So let's go through and try to hang this up and see how everything goes. So you guys, I am back and this is how it looks. I got Girl Boss up here, this one over here, this one over here, and then I put the stickers Love Yourself and 2 kisses right there. Basically it's just to have positive things around me and to keep reassuring me to keep going with my goals and dreams. The little word right there. So the wall stickers, they were really easy to peel off, and I got one left, so in case I decide to do anything with it, then I can just place it somewhere. But please let me know if you guys like this video or like this idea, if it helps you out with anything. It's basically for when you're just getting started or anything like that and you don't want a really expensive setup. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments and hit that thumbs up button, like and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any uploads from me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.